Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about maximize revenue with brand loyalty analytics. Let's get into it. In this video, we're going to talk about a very exciting and important feature that Amazon has recently introduced under brand analytics, customer loyalty analytics. This new tool helps brand owners move beyond simply tracking traffic or keywords and instead focus on understanding long-term customer behavior. This is crucial for building a sustainable and growing brand on Amazon. Until now, when sellers clicked on the brand analytics section, it usually redirected them to search query performance. But now, Amazon has introduced a separate section specifically for customer loyalty. This shift signals how seriously Amazon wants brand owners to start paying attention to repeat customers and their buying habits. The key benefit of using this new analytics feature is that you get access to data about how often customers are returning to buy from your brand, how frequently they're making purchases, and which products tend to bring in the most loyal buyers. This kind of insight allows sellers to take a much more strategic approach to their marketing and product decisions. For example, if your reports show that a particular product is driving repeat purchases, you can focus your marketing efforts on that product to increase customer retention. You can also use tools like brand-tailored promotions and loyalty-based discounts to re-engage customers who have already bought from your brand in the past. This kind of targeting often leads to a better return on investment compared to constantly reaching out to new customers. Using this loyalty data also helps when planning new product launches. You can identify your most loyal customer segments and promote new items to them first. These are people who already trust your brand, so they're more likely to try new products and leave positive reviews, helping your launches succeed faster and with better results. In addition, focusing on customer loyalty helps strengthen your brand's long-term value. When a customer comes back multiple times, it means they trust your product quality, your messaging, and your overall experience. By identifying and nurturing these loyal customers, you can create a strong base of repeat business that's less reliant on seasonal trends or ad spend. To get started, simply go into your Brand Analytics tab in Seller Central, and instead of going to Search Query Performance, click into Customer Loyalty. From there, you'll see valuable data that can shape the way you think about your audience and how you build your brand. Customer loyalty is a powerful growth lever, and Amazon has now made it easier to measure and act on. Take full advantage of this feature to drive higher revenue, increase retention, and build a stronger brand over time. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.